G'day, YouTube. Learn a new trick, how to drink beer. A guy named Pangzai on YouTube, if you want to look him up, Pangzai. I think he might have invented it, I don't know, but I'm going to give it a go. I've done it before, it works. So the idea is you pour some out, which you just can't do. So about that much. Got to say plenty. I'll drink the froth so it takes a bit longer, but the beer goes down in about 2 seconds. You cannot scull a beer quicker. I've tried it, it works. Alright, so deep breath, get rid of the air, and away you go. Shake it up, stick it down your gob. Tornado. That's how you do it. Brilliant party trick. Tell all your friends.